Hi friends, welcome to your channel DIY Home and Living. Aroma not only brings positivity at our home but also relaxes our minds to be more stress free. In today's video, I am going to make room fresheners which are as beautiful to look as they smell. For this, we are going to take Orbis beads or water beads as we say them. Soak them in a bowl full of water for 5 to 6 hours so that they absorb the water. Our Orbis beads or water beads have now become quite big and are well soaked in this water now. Here I have separated the different colors of water beads. I am taking these tiny glass jars in which I am going to make the room fresheners. I prefer using glass jars as these water beads look very cute in them. In the first jar I am putting blue and white beads. In the third jar I am putting light and dark green beads. Similarly, in the other jar I am putting red, orange and yellow beads. Depending on your choice, you can vary the colors. I am taking lavender aroma oil which I will pour 11 to 12 drops in each jar. You can also use any perfume or even fabric conditioner for the fragrance. This fragrance lasts for a month and then you can add in more water to the beads as they shrink as time goes on, and also aroma oil. Do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon to be notified for our future videos. Now I am covering the jars with these netted cloths and affixing them with rubber band so that it's easy to remove them whenever required. The beauty of fragrance is that it speaks to your heart. Cut the edges of the netted cloth to get uniformity. Now I will decorate these jars so that they are pleasing for eyes too. These jars can be used as room freshener or also as car fresheners. Here I am cutting a thin strip of white glitter foam sheet and making a loose ring and embellishing them with handmade paper flowers. It's a proven fact that aroma brings positivity at our home and also to our minds. Fragrance makes a place more delightful, and what's more important than your own home? With the help of this floral punch, I am cutting these flowers in the paper. Now shape the flowers as shown with the fingers. I am taking a sponge, placing the paper flower on it and pressing in between to shape the flower as shown. Similarly, I have shaped these 3 flowers. If you find them beautiful, do not forget to like this video. Now I am sticking a stone in the center of the flower. I have now stuck all the 4 flowers like this. Decorating these jars depends on your choice and creativity, as each one of us have their own preferences. Your aromatic and beautiful aqua blue room freshener is ready. The other glass jars too I am embellishing with glitter foam sheet flowers cut with the help of a floral punch. Here I have the red and orange foam sheet flowers which I am sticking on one another, and I have stuck a stone in center. Here I have cut golden foam sheet and made a ring to cover up the rubber band and also to add beauty to the jar. I have stuck all the flowers with hot glue gun. For the third jar, I have cut silver foam sheet and made a ring of the same and embellishing them with pink glitter foam sheet flowers. Wow, they look so beautiful and they are aromatic too. Bye bye from me with a fragrant note, and do take good care of yourself.